In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up NordVPN for Kodi on any device. By the end, you'll have Kodi running through a secure VPN tunnel, which helps protect your privacy and keep your connection more consistent while you stream. First, sign up for a NordVPN account at nordvpn.com. Choose the plan that fits your needs, create your account, and complete checkout. Keep your login details safe. You'll use them to access the app on your devices. If you're new to VPNs, think of this as your membership that unlocks the secure network you'll connect to in a moment. Next, download the NordVPN app. On mobile devices and streaming sticks, head to your device's app store and search for NordVPN. On computers, go to the NordVPN website and download the version for Windows or Mac. Install the app like you would any other, and if your device asks for permission to set up a VPN connection, approve it. That permission allows the app to create the encrypted tunnel that protects your traffic. Now, open the NordVPN app and log in using your credentials. If you're on a shared or public device, avoid saving your password and make sure you log out when you're done. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main screen showing a map and a list of countries. It's time to connect. The quickest way is to use Quick Connect. This picks an optimal server for you automatically, balancing speed and load. If you prefer a specific location, for example, to match a region for content availability or to maintain a consistent route, manually choose a country and, if needed, a particular city. Give the app a moment to establish the VPN tunnel. You'll see a clear connected status when it's ready. If you ever notice slower speeds, try switching to a nearby server with lower load. With the VPN connected, launch Kodi. From this point on, Kodi's traffic will go through the encrypted VPN tunnel. If you need to change servers while using Kodi, it's often smoother to close Kodi, switch servers in the NordVPN app, then reopen Kodi so everything refreshes cleanly. If your device sleeps or switches networks, just confirm the VPN reconnects before you continue. That's it. Sign up, install the app, log in, connect, and then open Kodi. Keep the NordVPN app updated for the latest improvements, and remember to start your VPN first whenever you plan to use Kodi. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more private and reliable streaming experience.